Napapanood natin siya sa iba't ibang teleserye at mga pelikula, mapabida man na role o mapakontrabida. Nagsimula ang career ni Glyza De Castro sa show business ng taong 2000. Hinangaan ng marami sa kanyang galing sa pag-arte. Subalit bukod dito, nais ding patunayan ni Glyza ang kanyang angking talento sa pag-awit. Ang kanyang unang naging album, Magbalika under Sax Records, nang siya ay 13 taong gulang. After 5 years, sinundan nito ng Glyza, ang kanyang second self-titled album under Dyna Records, na ang kanyang mga naging single, Paano? At ang English version ng Basta't Kasama Kita, ang As Long As I Am With You.
As long as I am with you.
At ngayong taong ito, bukod sa napakaraming projects niya sa industriya, ay pinakikilala ni Glyza ang kanyang latest album, ang Synthesis. Naglalaman ito ng 8 original songs kasama ang kanyang care single, Dusk Till Dawn.
Play the game from dusk till dawn. You took the chance and risked it all. I looked again at you today, and like the person that I saw, this is how I wanted you to be. You play the game from dusk till dawn. You took the chance and risked it all. Are you a better version of me? It's funny how I have to feel. With one's ideal, the other's real. So tell me, is this how it's supposed to be? You tried to follow what is right, tried everything to win the fight. Can we overcome this ruleless night? I'll open up my eyes and see the rules are there to set me free. I keep chasing, but the world won't let me be. They break me now, but I'm still here. This light inside won't disappear. Believe that my love is meant for something real. Burning desires, resilient minds are up against your wall. Content and silence in the end. Would you rather have it all? But they don't mind, so what's to hide? We've heard it all before. I guess there's just one knocking at your door. Open up your eyes and see the rules are there to set you free. You keep on chasing, but the world won't let you be. They break you now, but you're still here. This light inside won't disappear. Believe that your love is meant for something real. And every time we feel the fall, we get back up, we face, we roll. The skies and blackness fade to new. The sun will rise to wash it through. Together we can see it coming. The colors of once wilted end will soon be walking on a dream again. Open up our eyes and see the rules are there to set us free. We keep chasing, but the world won't let us be. They break us now, but we're still here. This light inside won't disappear. Believe that's our love is meant for something real.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely, the beautiful, the actress, multi-talented, syempre, singer, malupit, Glyza De Castro. Hello, Glyza.
Hello, good afternoon po.
I
Nanginginig
welcome.
ako. Kinabahan ako.
Welcome to Letters and Music, wherein we showcase the musician in you plus your music.
Oh, thank you
So,
po.
yeah.
Thank you for letting me share my music here in Letters and Music.
Katuwa naman si Glyza, pinasyalan mo kami, no?
Oo naman po.
Ay, Glyz, kanina napanood ko yung trailer nung kanina doon sa bago ka i-introduce. Pangilang album mo na tong hawak ko ngayon? Ito pala.
Bali po third. Pero ito
Pero?
yung first time na nag-self-produce ako and all original songs. Kasi yung previous two albums, yung two previous albums, ano siya yung producers and iba yung nagbigay ng mga songs sa akin.
I see. Ano ibig mo sabihin doon? Yung mga gusto mo, ikaw sana yung magbibigay din ng mga kanta o sa mga dun sa mga previous albums mo?
Yes,
Pero iba.
opo. Ideally, yun sana. Pero, nung time po kasi na yun, gusto ko lang kumanta. So, kung ano man yung ibigay sa akin, tinanggap ko lang. And parang, tinuturing ko siya na training ground ko eh.
Actually, ngayon dito sa bagong-bagong album, should we say, self-produced album?
Yes.
Tama po ba?
Opo.
At saka gusto ko na rin palang i-incorporate o i-associate sa album na ito, mga ka-Letters and Music. Sinulat ni Glyz yung mga...
Yes.
Lahat ba ng kanta dito, Glyz?
Yung sayo pa rin, bale 3 songs po.
Okay.
Yung sinulat ng iba ko ring friends. It were co-written by my friends. Yung pangalawang song at yung third, pati na rin yung sixth song.
Yun.
Ayan.
Yung Dust Till Dawn, yung unang-unang song na kinanta mo kanina.
Yes. Kasama ko rin pong sumulat doon yung mga kaibigan ko, actually. Kasi nakakatawa yung yung story niyan.
Sige, please,
Ah,
share mo.
yung friend ko na director, binigyan niya ako ng challenge.
Okay.
Sabi niya sa akin, Glyza, gusto ko tong kantang to. Ang title ng song ay Dapit Hapon. Si Ilona pa yata yung kumanta nun eh. Basta old song na siya, pero nagustuhan niya kasi yung lyrics.
Okay.
So sabi niya, gusto kong i-incorporate doon sa movie na ginagawa ko about youth. Ayan, na wag mong sasayangin yung buhay na binigay sa'yo, pagyamanin mo. Ganon actually yung message ng song. And sabi niya, gusto kong bigyan mo siya ng panibagong melody.
Yeah.
So ako yung, okay, sige, first time kong gagawin pero susubukan ko. So I was able to come up with a new melody and na-record namin siya pero nagkaroon kami ng problema doon sa copyright ng song kasi hindi naman sa amin yung original lyrics. So we ended up making a totally different song. So yun yung naging resulta, yung Dust Till Dawn.
Yung resulta naman, yung end product naman. nung Dust Till Dawn na yun, naawit mo eh. Gusto kong patugtugin lagi sa Pinas FM.
Wow, thank you po.
Tsaka nag-register. Wow, okay. Paano ka nakakapagsulat sa dami ng ginagawa mo?
Well, kasi po bilang artista, hindi naman kami laging may taping.
Okay.
Most of the time, after 3-4 months, pahinga na kami. So may mga times na wala kaming ginagawa. May
Okay.
mga times na naboboring din kami. At may mga pinagdadaanan din talaga.
Doon mo na lang
So,
dinadivert.
opo, dun ko siya kinukuha. Yung most of my songs
Hashtag
there.
hugot.
Hugot talaga. Kasi syempre may mga times na na-frustrate tayo, na-depress tayo,
Mismo.
'di ba? So yun yung nagiging outlet ko sa paggawa ng mga songs.